Hi there, my name is Mary Mapel and welcome to Thrive with Mary. My YouTube channel currently is focused on all things Pampered Chef, all the things that I love about the products that have come out, recipes that I like to cook, and also ways that I enjoy leading my team so that they can thrive in their own online business. Prior to being a Pampered Chef consultant, I've done things like teach English online to kiddos in China. So when you search through my videos, you may see things related to that. Occasionally, I've done a blog entry about attachment parenting or unschooling my son who's now 23. So I have a mixture of different things here on this channel, but my primary focus right now is being a Pampered Chef director and sharing all the things I love about eating healthy and nutritious meals and the products that can help make that happen. Thanks for stopping by and be sure to press the subscribe button so you can see my latest videos.